Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everybody. Tonight, you're definitely gonna need your wine because what we're making is gonna go perfect with it. We're making Italian, a Penne Vodka. That's how they do it, right? We're making a Penne Vodka tonight, so if you're not gonna get drunk off your wine, let's get drunk off the food, shall we? All right, here we go. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is mince your garlic. We're going to heat our saucepan over medium-low heat. Throw in our olive oil. Grab a pasta pot, fill it up with some water because we're going to start on our pasta once our sauce starts getting going. This is going to be a pretty easy recipe, I think. There's not a lot of ingredients. Cooking time isn't high, so it'd be perfect for a weeknight. Possibly a Valentine's dinner. Fun fact, almonds are a nut that comes from a hard-shelled fruit from the almond tree. There are 30 different varieties, only of which 10 are used commercially. And to harvest them, they get these machines that just shake the almonds right out of the trees. Nobody harvests them by hand. Also, almonds are 100% reliant on bees for crop pollination. So be kind to your bees. Also in the same family as the peach. All right, let's throw our garlic along with our crushed red pepper. Now we're gonna saute this for about a minute. In the meantime, go ahead and open up your can of crushed tomatoes. Thyme, oregano, salt, and pepper. But don't forget the most important ingredient. Vodka. Let's give it a good stir. Turn up the heat. Now you want to cover this and you want to simmer it for 20 minutes. While that's simmering, grab your basil. You're gonna need a 1/4 cup, finely chopped. And save a little bit for garnish. All right, I think we're at a good spot where we can go ahead and throw in our pasta, get that cooking. Now you want to make sure to salt your pot. All right, I believe our pasta is done and our sauce is about a minute away. All right, now that the sauce is complete, we're gonna take our almonds, and you can use slivered or slices, and we're gonna blend this up into the sauce. It's what gives it that nice creaminess. Now you wanna do this until it's mostly creamy, just slightly grainy. Now we're gonna add our basil. And if your kitchen doesn't look like this at the end of blending tomato sauce, then you're doing it all wrong. Now we're gonna take our pasta, drain it, we're gonna transfer pots, and we're gonna toss our pasta right in the sauce. Pasta is one of those things that I could eat pretty much every day. Let's try it. All right, y'all, this looks absolutely freaking delicious. And it is. Can't really go wrong with pasta. So if you've never had vodka sauce, if you've only ever had the, the red spaghetti sauce, I would definitely say to try the vodka sauce. It's a little bit, I think the vodka actually brings down the tomato flavor a little bit. It's not a strong vodka flavor by itself, but it definitely gives it a different flavor. And it's good. All right, go away, I'm gonna eat this. Make this for the pasta lover in your life. They'll love you for it. And I would love you if you hit like. Make sure to subscribe and comment and share and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. Name a vegetable? Tomato, banana, kiwi, potato, onion, green onion. I don't know. Do you have any herbs in there? Basil, thyme, oregano, parsley, cilantro, green or red peppers, garlic, bay leaves, nutmeg, like the nuts, walnuts, or peaches on there?